Hi, I'm Ken Jorgensen with Top Producers Real Estate Center, and today I have a wonderful opportunity for you on this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home on 2.5 acres with approximately 4,450 square feet. This home is expansive, updated, and gorgeous with 2.5 acres of privacy and endless possibilities for families and gatherings, including 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a substantial, spacious, open floor plan with a wood-burning fireplace, an extraordinary kitchen for meal preparation and entertaining with a 22-foot ceiling. Also comes with an upstairs in-law suite or rental, and an absolutely huge fenced-in backyard, a beautiful master ensuite including a magnificent multi-person shower with multiple shower sprays, parking for all of your guests with dining and entertainment close by. Come see this rare opportunity today while it's still available. For this wonderful, unique, and rare opportunity, give me a call today, Ken Jorgensen, at 850-630-3152, and have a great day.